4:15. Zachary Evan is 1 hour old.
1 hour old.
And he's calm and sitting with Mommy.
Yeah. We are chilling. Yeah. That's you.
And apparently sneezing, but not in threes.
He sneezed in threes when he first came out. He sneezed like Mommy. Although, does that count as multiples? I don't know.
So what do you think? Does he look like me? Does he look like Mommy? Mommy's eyes. Same full head of hair Ian had.
Oh, bless you. I think that was the third one.
Yeah, but they weren't right in a row.
Oh, sleepy baby.
And it was a rough morning, afternoon.
Yeah.
And we're a little tired, I think.
It's a sleepy boy. Oh my goodness. He's sleepy. We are all a Twitter for you to meet your brother.
That's right. We're gonna meet with you're gonna meet your big brother soon.
Yeah. He's gonna help.
He's gonna come from school.
Yeah. Oh. What's going on? What is it? Oh, sleepy. Oh, we've had a rough day, haven't we?